guys, it's a big one. Whew, boy. Guys, it started off bad this morning. I mean, it started off bad. But we're running, we're moving. Put this puppy on. There we go. Hopefully that's not too loud for you. We're on the move now. Make sure I stay away from that guy. It's very windy today. We tried to catch some gizzard shad, but my net broke. It just snapped. I don't know what happened. It's brand new, $200 and something net. Guess I need to get a hold of Bass Pro Shop and get that net replaced. But man, anyways, stuffed up here, I was able to find some bluegill. So we got on top of some bluegill. So hopefully we will catch some fish. I've seen them out in about 30 feet of water. So we're moving into that. We just had a cold front, wind's right out of the north. So usually cold fronts are pretty tough, but you know, it's the fall cold front and usually they start eating pretty good. So I'm hoping we'll catch us some fish. We will see though. Anyways, enjoy the ride. It's gonna be windy. Oh, I got an extra lighter. Does that work? It don't work. We've got the bait. You know what they say, you find the bait, you find the fish. We'll see if that's true. I definitely see some stuff underneath though. Damn, there's a lot of bait. Did I have one? Or did I miss it? I didn't get a hook up there, did I? Oh, there's a screamer. Oh, it's a big one, guys. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, I thought it was going to be a bad day. I didn't think we were going to catch anything. Oh, yeah, he's putting up a fight. Okay. We didn't get skunked, guys. It's all worth it. All worth it today. Well, it's a good one. It's gonna have a good fight. Feels good. You know. I didn't see that. Oh yeah, he's a decent one. Look at channel. I can't tell from here. He's a good size for Normandy Lake. Oh. Get him on up in here. Good size for Normandy Lake. I think that is a channel. I think we got ourselves a channel cat. Kept our bait. It's good because we don't have a lot of that. a second here, guys. Get that hook out. There we go. That's a little channel cat. Okay, I think it's a channel cat. I can't tell. Yeah, I think it's a channel. Looks like a blue. I forgot my fins. I'll fix that in the video. But I'm almost certain that looks like a blue. I can't tell. Well, we'll figure it out. All right. We didn't get skunked. That's what matters. And bonus, we kept, I'll drop the bait. I was about to say, bonus, we kept the bait. There we go. Get the bluegill head. Really wish I had some gizzard shad. I'm impressed that my gizzard shad net broke. It was the first time ever using one. I'll put him right through the eye here. There we go. All right. Let's get her back out there. See if we can do that again. That's actually a good sized fish for this lake. And he's right on the edge of that channel, so we're going to stick to that channel. We'll see if we can stick to what's working. Hopefully that keeps working. Here's about 30 feet of water. And that board's acting weird. I don't know what that board's doing. Is there a fish on it? It moved towards the middle for some reason. Oh man, we had a bite there. Let's see if I get that board to spread back out. I don't know what that board's doing. I'm gonna pull that board and check it and see what's going on here. I don't think there's a fish on it. You know what? There's a fish on there, guys. I think there is. Sure is acting like it. Or is it just the board just catch a bunch of water? Yeah, I think there's a fish on there. I have to get rid of this board. Oh no, that's not good. That is not good. That's not optimal. Yeah, there's something on there. He's going the other way here. It's a good thing he didn't get tangled up with my other stuff. Poor guy's probably been on there a while. Damn. He should have been able to pull that board under. Dang, dang guys, that's a big one. How did he not pull that board under? Poor guy. I must have pulled him out deep. Whoa, hang on, buddy. He's not hooked very good. Okay. Oh no, he fell out. Come here. Come on. There we go. That's a blue. Oh man. Well, come on out of there. Not sure what he's got sticking out of his mouth. Man, how big is he? Give me a second, guys. I'm going to pull something out of here. Get my pliers if I can figure out where they are. There they are. You get kind of hooked kind of deep. He was hungry. Big old boy. Whoa. Come here, you. Yeah. Big dog. That's a big fish for this lake. See here. He is about 13 pounds. He's not super big. There's bigger fish in here. Oh boy. Oh, hang on, I'll get you off the hook. Hang on. Calm down for a second. Oh, he is on there good. Yeah. And away he goes. 2 fish today. And we just got started. Let's hope we keep that up. Oh, big fish on, guys. Big one. Oh, yeah. That's a good takedown. Oh, man, we are doing good today. Come on now. Nice little cat. Not anything spectacular, but I ain't gonna pick you on up. You're not nettable. Well, you probably should be netted, but all right. Calm down, calm down. Oh. Netted up pretty good, or hooked up pretty good. Nice little Normandy cat. Another Normandy cat. Oh, that's 3 in the boat, guys. 3 in the boat. If this keeps up, I might not have enough bait. We only got about 4 bluegill left. I might have to go catch more bluegill. All right. Little body chunk. I hate to lose that head. I would say that probably will get tangled up. Oh, did we catch him coming across the channel? Yeah, right there in that channel. And what I'm doing, I'm kind of cutting across here to the other cliff side. And we might have to turn around and go back into the cove to come back up. I don't know, we'll keep going until we stop catching fish, I guess. I might follow that one all the way down. We're about 40 feet of water. We caught him probably about 35 feet, I think. I don't think this is gonna work. I really should be going into this wind. Oh, big takedown, guys. Another takedown. Yeah. Well, you got the right idea here. Oh. We're catching them. He was in about 40 feet of water. So let anybody ever tell you that the fish don't bite after a cold front. It's the day of the cold front. I have been, wind's coming right out of the north. And I'm catching fish, you know? They're not anything huge, but they're biting. Shoo. Good boy. Yeah, what did I do with my pliers? Where did I do with my, oh, there they are. Not a bad day, not a bad day. I'll take it. Oh, he got hooked good. There we go. Nice dinner-sized cat right there. Whoosh. All right. So we're catching them right in that channel. Man, maybe I should keep following that channel all the way out. Problem is, I'm running out of bait. I might have to make a bait stop. Or maybe we start using smaller pieces. Oh, where'd that knife go? I dropped my knife. There it is. I must want to use a smaller piece on him because I don't have a whole lot left. Just using small pieces of bluegill. I thought it was going to be a washout today after I lost that net. We're coming up to 34 feet of water now. What the heck did I hang up on? fishing again. Oh, what are we looking? See, we caught him still in that channel. I'm gonna change courses. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm going back that way. Go back into that channel. So I'm seeing fish down there again. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What should I do? Should I keep following the ledge? Or should I follow the channel? Because I can't tell if I was catching them in the channel or off the ledges. What the worst we could do is keep following this ledge. We're up there on the edge of it. The wind's coming right from that direction. I'm gonna pop back over here. I'm gonna go back across that ledge. Go to. I'm going back out over that creek channel and I'm going to crisscross it. If I don't catch anything going that way, now I know I made a mistake. I don't even see the creek on the fish finder. I don't even, it's weird. Oh, guys, got one on here. Y'all didn't tell me. Neither we came out of that creek. Oh, I just lost a lighter. I need that lighter. Kind of want to keep that lighter. There we go. Ooh, it's a good one. Feels good. He's not massive, but he's a good fish. Happy with that. Get my lighter out of there. And that lighter's gone. Heck yeah. And I kept my bait. What do you think of that? Oh, come here, you. Come on out of there. Good hook up. I barely had him hooked. I want to say I had a good one, but that's definitely not very good. Oh yeah, that's good actually. Come on over there. There we go. Yeah, it's not bad. We're not doing too bad today. Other than losing my lighter just now. I don't have a spare. I actually do somewhere around here. I got a spare, but I don't know where it's at. Probably down there. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, there it is. And we kept our bait. How about them apples? Right. Get this back out there. Well, that's a lot better. I'm so happy we're catching fish today, guys. Oh, got one more. Oh no, he got off, guys. He got off. Oh man. I thought we had one. "40 feet of water, huh? That's good to know. Which way is this wind blowing? It's kind of hard for me to tell which way we're going here. It looks like the wind's coming from this way. See, right when I get ready to go, we get a bite. I'm gonna just keep going this way. I'm gonna follow this. We're gonna fall all the way up to that submerged pond. And see what happens. About 42 feet of water. That fish? There's a fish. Well, guys, we're catching 42 feet of water. I was not expecting that. That's some deep water. I mean, I knew that cold front would push them deep, but I didn't go think that deep. Oh man, I'm hung up. You get me all hung up, buddy. What did you do? What did you do? All right, got that off. Get him all untangled. Now he's not very big. That's 42 feet of water. I'll take it. I shouldn't have that. I should have that right here. Let's set him back out over here. Okay. Get right there on that line. Oh yeah, well, there we go. Coming off that mountain. He's got some fight in him, man. Don't feel terribly big, but man, he's about bigger than I thought. Hey, he's a good sizer. He ain't bad at all. I'll take him. Get off my net here. He's not hooked really good. Yeah, get in there, Nate. Heck yeah. 42 feet of water. Here's a fistful. I really should go. There we go. Nice little cat. Nice blue. Nice little blue. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't want to stay up much later. I think I'm going to end it on that one. So the moral of the story, just because don't worry about the weather. If you have time to fish, go fishing. You know, I've heard it over and over and over again. When a cold front comes through, the fish stop biting. Well, you just saw me catch a bunch of fish today. It don't matter. You got time to go fishing. As long as it's safe to do so. Don't go out in the middle of a thunderstorm or 30-mile-per-hour winds like we had yesterday. Today's pretty windy, but this ain't terrible. This is manageable. So, anyways, guys, I'm calling it a night. I'm gonna try to get this boat back on the trailer and try it again next weekend. Hopefully next weekend to be less windy. All right. Got the chaos out.